There are so many questions. How to turn our data into key insights in order to increase our competitiveness in the firm. So I'm telling you about how we turn the data from a lot of data from the retail, for instance, and then doing some strategic framework like BCG or growth matrix like this. So we divide it according to profit and sales metric and showing four areas. For instance, this is for the star, representing the higher profit and the higher sales, while the lower and the lower, it would be the dog, and we're showing all the product names so the user easily look at these items and also doing like some interactions. For instance, we change to the quantity and showing the proportions both as an aggregated measures and also as the detailed items. Yeah, when we find out like the items that contribute to this bar chart, and then on the bottom we show the Sankey matrix, the Sankey diagram, right? Representing like the flow from the source and the destinations, and we can like doing some comparisons using this bar chart, and also we can show the buck whisker plot aims to find out which items could be an outlier to our business. Like this, according to this box plot whisker, we can show this outlier regarding the quarters from the Q2, Q1, and Q3. While this is the forecastings, how we try to predict the market trends. For instance, for the quantity, so we can show the consumer, corporate, and home office like this, and then take a look at these tables showing all the numbers that we get from the forecasting trends. Last but not least, we can compare all the metrics using these tables. So we can select like this one and then get the insight rather than just visualizing the data. This, this is how we find out the insight from the data as quick as possible and as efficient as possible. Thank you.